In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your WordPress website. Knowing how to properly back up your WordPress site is crucial for maintaining your content's security and ensuring that you have a copy of your site in case anything goes wrong. Whether you're making updates, trying out new plugins, or just want peace of mind, backups are your safety net. Let's walk through the process step by step using a popular plugin called Updraft Plus. To begin, navigate to your WordPress admin dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your site. Once you're there, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Plugins. This section allows you to view and manage all the plugins currently installed on your WordPress site. Plugins are like apps for your WordPress site that add specific functionalities. After clicking on Plugins, you'll see an option to Add New at the top. Go ahead and click on that. This brings you to a page where you can find and install new plugins directly from the WordPress repository. In the search bar, type in Updraft Plus. This is a highly rated backup plugin that's popular for its ease of use and reliability. Once you find Updraft Plus in the results, click on Install Now. Installation may take a moment, so be patient. This process downloads the plugin files and adds them to your list of plugins. After the installation is complete, the Install Now button will change to Activate. You'll need to click on Activate to start using Updraft Plus on your site. Activation turns on the plugin and makes its features available for you to use. With Updraft Plus now active, it's time to configure the plugin to back up your website. Head over to the Settings section of Updraft Plus. You can find this either in the left-hand menu under Settings or directly in your list of installed plugins. In the Updraft Plus settings, you'll find an option labeled Backup Now or something similar right on the main dashboard of the plugin. Click on this option. This action initiates the backup process, and Updraft Plus will start creating a snapshot of your entire site, including your database, themes, plugins, and content. And just like that, you've successfully backed up your WordPress website. It's really that simple. Updraft Plus also offers various settings if you want to schedule regular backups or send your backups to remote storage locations like Google Drive or Dropbox. This way, your backups are not just stored on your server and are safe even in case of a server failure. Congratulations on taking an important step towards safeguarding your website. Remember, frequent backups are vital for any website owner. Make sure to repeat this process regularly or set up automatic backups to avoid losing your valuable content. Thank you for joining me today.